How to wax your legs at home. Once you choose the wax you would like to use, turn on your wax pot to 150 to 170 degrees Fahrenheit. You want to let the wax melt down to a honey-like consistency. Before you start, always prep the skin with a pre-wax treatment and let the skin be completely dry before applying any wax. When you do apply your wax, hold the stick at a 45-degree angle, go in smooth, even strokes in the same direction as the hair growth. Do not be alarmed if you don't get all of the hairs the first time you wax. It can take waxing your legs 2 or 3 times to get all of the hairs on the same growth cycle. You want the length of hair to be at least the length of a grain of rice before waxing. When removing the wax, go in smooth, even layers, going parallel to the leg. You do not need to pull quickly to get all the hairs. When going over knees and ankles, wax will not pull properly over curves, so work in smaller sections to get all of the hair that you would like to remove. You always want to give it 3 to 5 days before and after waxing to exfoliate the skin. When you are done, finish with a post-wax spray and soothe the skin. If you need to apply some ice for irritation, you can do that as well.